Hey everyone, it's Sharon. I'm getting a lot of questions about our sun protective fabric face mask, so I wanted to address them for you here. First of all, please remember, keep in mind, this is not a medical grade mask. So when you put these on, I, by the way, have a post in my journal section on the website, heliotis.com, that outlines tips, tricks, and best practices for wearing a mask. So you want your hands to be clean, of course, and put the mask on, hold it at your nose, loop it over your ears. This is the fastest way for me to get this on in position. Gently press around the nose strip so that it forms around your face, and make sure it's tucked under your chin, okay? Now, when you want to bump it up for coverage, maybe you're in an area where there's a lot of people, my favorite thing to do is to add a layer is with a coffee filter. You can either insert the coffee filter into the pocket of your mask, or for me, because I like to wear lipstick is what gets me through shelter in place, I just put the mask, fold it in a half moon shape, and I wear it on the outside, on the inside of the, place it on the inside of the mask, okay? So, have that on, okay. And then now you have actually 4 layers that you're breathing through. So my last tip that I have for you is find a piece of ribbon and a clean shoestring, a piece of elastic, whatever you might have laying around. And what I find I need to do for when I'm wearing the mask for a long time, because it starts to bother my ears, especially if you are wearing sunglasses or regular glasses. Take the string, loop it behind your ears, loops, tie it off into a knot. Actually, the tighter it is, the better the seal around your face and the less sauna effect you're going to have wafting up over your eyes. Once you get that all set, I'll put the loops above my ears so it doesn't slide down, but then I'll move the loop onto my ear so that it's not pulling. That's just my personal preference. Okay, then the glasses go on over that. Be sure to wash your mask between each use and before you receive it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. One last tip in terms of storing and not losing this little string. Something that I like to do is I take the string, make a loop, thread it through one of the ear loops, and just attach it this way. So now it's just kind of dangling off of the side. And if you know that you're going to be out for a while needing to wear your mask, I've got my coffee filter. I get my mask on. And by the way, it's not a knot you tie in the back, it's a bow you tie in the back. Okay, so I already have my loop attached to one ear. My tie attached to one ear. Oh my gosh, instructions are so hard. And now I'm going to tie this in the back in a bow, not into a knot. Okay, so that's for if you're in a big hurry and you don't want to fumble around trying to thread the tie through the shoe tie, through the ear loops. You only have to thread it through one. I hope that makes sense. I'm trying. Okay, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.